myself. So I start using a different cream from one cream to the other. Some of the cream, the result will not be fast, while some it will be fast. So I start from one cream to the other every week. I keep on changing cream every week, every week. It comes to a stage where I start liking my skin. People are complimenting me. Ah, you are growing, you are looking good, you are doing fine, thinking that I am now on top of the world. So not knowing that I am actually killing my skin. So it comes to a stage where that compliment is not now a compliment. It's now a complaint where people are now complaining that, like if you look at this picture, there is a spot at one of my right eye side that this picture is even healed. It comes to a stage where I cannot even go outside. It's like I am now becoming albino in the daytime. So I have to, if I'm exposed to sun, I will not be able to look clearly. And even among my friends, again, those that are complimenting me initially start complaining, as some of them start running away from me. Okay, even then that's reason why I start thinking that I am not actually helping myself, but I am creating a problem. Even when I even went out to pray in the mosque, when I'm praying, I look at my skin and look at other people's skin. I now know that, find out that no, I am actually hurting myself, my skin. Then why I now stop completely? It comes to a time where I injure myself. Initially, before, whenever I injure myself, I just wash it, forget about it, it dry up. Then during this period, after when I'm breaching, I got injured, and instead of healing, the wound is getting expanded. So my skin cannot now heal on its own because I have actually breached the thickness of my skin. So then I now say, let me stop. This is where the problem is. I stop, my skin become worse to the extent that rashes, you see all this thing you are seeing here, is now all over my faces, including my knuckles here. So I can't go out again among my friends. I now decided to, okay, let me stop. Now, when I stop using the cream. My body become worse. I'm not ashamed to go out. But I have made up my mind that I am going to stop. And I believe that stopping will make my skin go back to the initial state. So it takes a long process. And it's only those who is willing to stop that I can actually achieve that. Because it get to a stage where, in fact, you will be discriminated. You will not feel among yourself again. You cannot even shake someone again, like your fellow guy. You can't even give a handshake again because you start irritating them. But I said, okay, definitely I am going to stop, and my skin will come back. So then, after when I now decide I am going to stop, whatever happen, whatever I see, I make sure that I accept it. I accept it. Being positive or negative, I accept it. So then now I start looking for a different cream again that I am going to use to repair my skin, not knowing that I am also damaging my skin. There's one cream I use. I forgot the name because it's been a long, like over 10, 15 years now. I use the cream, and the cream, instead of me becoming lighter, I'm becoming darker. And when the darker is now thick, and it now come with skin problem, rashes all over my faces, and you see that's still sunburn. It's not going. So I have to visit this sick bay here, visit sick bay, complain about the skin problem I'm having. They direct me to Shika where I meet a dermatologist. Then they are the one that now give me a drug, a medication. And this medication, it costs again. So destroying my skin cost me, and also fixing it again also cost me. Why? Assuming I know I could have just allowed my skin the way I am initially, that God created me. I don't need to waste money on myself, and I will just appreciate myself. So now, this skin, it doesn't heal on time once you start. Up till now, I'm still in healing process. Sincerely speaking, but I'm better. And now I can feel among myself, and I don't close my eye when I'm in the sun again. So skin bleaching, it really kill. Thank God that me, I identify my own self and I decided to stop on time. There is a picture where when the president is presenting that he presents on the screen here, a picture of old woman that is above 45 to 50 years. At that stage, nothing you can do. You just have to die with it. A lot of people on the streets today, from today on, just start observing. You see, especially women, older women, you see them, you will be seeing different colors. Their face, one side burn, the other side is okay, the other side is black. It's skin bleaching. And at that stage, she can't stop, she can't continue. Now, if you look at them very well, you see that their vein, if you are dark now, when you check your vein, you can't really see the color of your vein. But if you are bleaching your skin, you see the color, you'll be seeing green. All your vein will be green. And now, those kind of people, when they had either accident and they need to stitch their body, they can't stitch them. Wherever part you touch, it's got teared. So skin bleaching is really, really bad, and that's one of the reasons why we target the younger age, because it is at this stage they take decision, and it is at this stage that they can also stop if they have start. Thank you.
Can we stand? Sorry. Actually, it's not easy to come off stage before people and share a life story with people, especially the one that is somehow negative, isn't it? Some extent. So that courage, that mind that he has to come up here and say, to even stop and to come and preach to that you should not have the intention of doing that. Put your hands together and clap for him. Very well. Thank you so much. Sit down. Thank you. Sit down. Sit. So this is not easy. He has stopped this and he has stopped. He has stopped and he has what? He has stopped. So it means even if you are doing this, you can equally stop and nothing will happen to you. Do you hear that? Nothing will happen to you. So we're going to the last session, which is your own feedback. I wanted to make use of some students or participants to talk on one or two things, but time will not allow me. That's why I say they should just remain on their seats. So maybe we'll do that. Okay, the group participant. Each group, let's have one person from each group. Quickly. Group one, one participant from each group. Who will represent group two? Good.
I hope you enjoy the presentation. So we are announcing to you that we have an upcoming event that is coming. That is 23rd of June 2026, and the program is only about females. And the program is about data analysis using R programming. So those that are interested, they should come to our head office at the community market shop F4 and collect their form. Thank you very much.
What's the number?
Shop F4.
The office is shop F4. Only females. It's free. They'll teach you how to do data analysis. Computer programming is how Okay? Computer programs are matter. You get it? And normally we used to have the program at Kashi Ibrahim Library. It's a very comfort zone. Okay? So all girls that are interested should reach out to their shop.
Sorry, let's clarify. The only days that you are come, you are going to tell your CEO, maybe your mother or your sister.
Even your mother.
It's only on Sunday. Don't come any day. Only on Sunday, 4 o'clock. That's when you. If you don't come to this